If you're looking for a yacht with comfort, performance, and innovation, look no farther. Introducing the Galeon 680 Fly. The trend is moving the galley aft. It allows you to entertain in the cockpit space of the boat and easily move in and out. This galley is large and well apportioned, so we have great storage throughout. Nice high-end appliances. We have a Kenyon 4-burner induction cooktop. We have a convection oven, full-size refrigerator and freezer, plenty of storage, cabinets, drawers throughout. Moving over to the starboard side, we have a nice settee, which is perfect for early morning cup of coffee or possibly breaking out the laptop and getting some emails fired off. Moving to the upper salon, this space is very well laid out. There's seating for 9 or 10 people off to the port side, and opposing that on the starboard side, we have a nice sofa. Behind the sofa would be a TV. It's electrically actuated up, down. And then we also have electrically actuated table that will lower into a coffee table position. So depending on what you're doing, you can really tailor this space to whatever you would like. This boat has a very well-appointed helm. We have two 16-inch Raymarine Axiom displays, manned digital displays for the main engines, Seakeeper control here for the Seakeeper 16, side power proportional bow and stern thruster, and then moving over to the starboard side, we have the Aventex joystick docking system and the digital shift and throttle. And if you want to see what these are connected to, stay tuned. This is a 4-stateroom boat. Forward of the helm are 3 staterooms. We have the VIP, and to the port we have a guest, and to the starboard we have a guest. The owner suite is not down here. I'm in the owner's stateroom right now. It has its own private entrance. You enter it through the aft portion of the boat. This space is really amazing. It has large windows, so no matter where you're waking up, if you want to see the day come alive, you can do that right from your own stateroom. We have great accents in this space as well. So we have a high gloss finish over at the TV with matte finishes surrounding. Textured headboards, just a lot of intricate details in this owner's suite. It's a great space, large bed, plenty of storage. You have great head and shower. It's large, it's above what you would typically expect in a boat of this size. One of the common themes about the 680 is space, and the cockpit is no exception. We have a ton of space at the table with seating for up to 8 people, and you could easily pull up more seats to the table, so make that 10 people. We have a sunshade that will come down aft of me here. We have boarding doors port and starboard for easy access onto the boat from the dock, and plenty of space to move around. I do want to mention that we have a wing station over on the starboard side with a clear line of sight down the hull of the boat. I want to point out another unique space. The bow, we have a lot of versatility here. In fact, we have automated cushions that will move out, port and starboard, and then the forward area will move forward. So you can really tailor it to the way that you want to entertain. So just another fantastic space. On the flybridge, very well appointed helm station. We have all the important controls. We have our chart plotter, engine diagnostic gauges, autopilot control, of course, and then we have our joystick over here to the starboard side for easy docking. And once again, you can easily see along the starboard side of the boat for docking maneuvers. Just above me is an opening part of the hardtop, so if you want to get in the rays, you sure can do that, or you have a nice space just forward of the helm to lay out and get some sun. We have a really neat dinette area. There's storage underneath the cushions. This is a table that's on a pneumatic piston, so it'll drop down into a coffee table. Just a neat little space here. And then off to the starboard, we have a great bar. So large flybridge, I can imagine, you know, big families are entertaining. You can easily serve right from the bar here with having a barbecue grill, ice maker, and refrigerator without ever having to go down below. Moving aft, we have a really nice U-shaped seating space that'll easily hold 14 people. And then we have 2 tables that will make into one large alfresco dining table. And then 1 or 2 other really neat features is we have pop-up lights to illuminate whatever you may be eating or drinking. I'd mentioned that there's one more thing I wanted to show you. We're in the engine room. These are twin MAN 1200 horsepower twin turbo V8 diesels. The performance of the 680 is very impressive. 28 knot cruise, 30 knot maximum speed. The boat handles so well in rough water and performs above expectations for a 68-foot boat. On behalf of MarineMax, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the walkthrough of the Galeon 680 Fly. If you'd like more information, please visit marinemax.com or stop into one of your local stores.